Hey friends, hi and hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase or boost the performance of your computer like a brand new one or like the first day that you've used it. Okay, let's start by searching Task Manager here at the bottom search bar and then click on Open. Okay, let me expand this first by clicking the bar icon here. Okay, so as you can see here at the left side, it has the seven functions: processes, performance, app history, startup apps, users, details, and services. And we are going to the startup apps option. Okay, as you can see here, it has this applications that I've disabled and enabled. Okay, so here's the thing, you need to disable all those identified that applications that you no longer needed. But bear in mind that you need to maintain this enabled so that your computer will be protected from any viruses. Okay, this will maintain the security of your computer. So accept that. Okay, okay, done. So once done, we need to close this and then go to the Google Chrome to search for an optimizer called CCleaner. Okay, let's type here CCleaner and then go enter to continue. And then select the first option here, CCleaner, that makes your computer faster and more secure. Okay, so about this CCleaner, it cleans up, speed ups, and fix your PC with this one. Okay, so you will have a less junk, better performance, more space, fewer PC problems with your computer. Okay, so you just have to click on free download. Okay, so as you can see here, it has an excellent stars and 35 million gigabyte space cleaned every month and 20 years of PC optimization experience and 40 plus app languages available and 5 million desktop installs per week. So isn't that amazing? So you just have to click on free download and protect and clean your cookies or clean your junk files with this cleaner. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button as well as the notification bell to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.